Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and what I'm going to do today is use this mirror card and this glitter card to make a couple of stars to hang up either in the Christmas tree or on anything else I make as well. I'm going to cut these out using my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, then I'm sure you could cut them out really easily just using a knife and a ruler. I'm in Cricut Design Space and click New Project. Click Project and put in Christmas. Hoping there is a star somewhere. I'm sure there must be. Put star. Oh yeah, look, there is. Oh, and that's a nice one. 5-point Christmas star there. So let's look at what size it is. It's a bit larger than I want, which is 12.77 centimetres. I want that to be about, for me, 7 centimetres. Which is about two and a bit inches. Because the both bits are together, I'm going to highlight them both and then reduce this down in size. And I'm going to be using the A4 card on here. I'm going to be using my green matte for this card. When I go to make it, I need to change the card size to A4 with that one there. That should cut out nicely on there. I also need to ensure that I've got the right material there. So I'm going to browse all materials, cardstock, glitter cardstock, put that in my favourites because I do use it quite a lot. So just by clicking that little star, it'll put it in my favourites. And it'll be up there. I've got a fairly new blade in there, so I don't need to mirror it or do anything else to it. I can now load it up and cut it out. Well, this is all cut out now, and it's really, really easy to fold. All you do is you fold along the little scored lines, or if you haven't got a Cricut and you've cut it out by hand, you just fold it along your centres. Like that. And then go round each one, folding it in on itself again. And that'll give you a really nice one side of the three-dimensional star. Like that, which is, I think, has come out really nice. And then on the Cricut, you get these little flaps. But if you haven't got the flaps, then just join your little edges together. They just need to be bent over to the middle. And that's what you use to glue it all down with. You do that on both of them. And then I've made a little loop with some string and just glued it together there. And what I will do is glue that into the star there. So it's got its little string once you've finished making it. I just use my glue gun for that. And then once that's dry or you're ready, you then just line up a bit that doesn't have one of those on with the one that does have one. And then just glue those together. And you just go round the whole thing and do that. And all I've done is I lift this up, bit of glue in there. If you haven't got a glue gun, then you could use super glue, I would imagine, or the all-purpose glue. Yoo-hoo all-purpose glue. And then I'm going to bling it up. And I'll show you what I'm going to do to bling it up. Glue around this diamondy or crystal-y chain. That's not real diamonds, believe me. I wish it was. I would love to have a string of diamonds like this. So I'm going to glue that all the way around. Just using my glue gun by putting a bead of glue on there. And then popping that onto the bead of glue and holding it down. And going all the way around. And it really does glue on there nice and easily. And I do one side at a time because I find that's easier and then the glue doesn't dry. By pushing it into the corners. Unfortunately, I don't have a steady hand. But if you've got a steady hand, you can get a much neater line than I get. And then when you get to the tip, where you started from, glue that on and I'll let that just dry. Then I will cut that off so that the last one will roll back round and fill in the gap. All I use to cut that off with is a pair of scissors. It cuts lovely. That rolls back into that gap. Bits of glue that are on there that I'm not happy with, that are overlapping because of my wobbly hand, I will just pull off. And there we go, we got a nice shiny star. And I've also made some other ones, and I think they've come out really, really pretty. Different colours. I think they hang lovely. And the glittery ones are really nice. So there we go. Really simple stars. I think they'd make great little decorations. You could even put little photographs or things of people from the family in them. Personalise them up a little bit. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and please ring that notification bell and the thumbs up if you've liked this video. It really does help it get out there. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee to help support this channel, then the link for that, along with the link for everything that I've used today, can be found in the description below. Oh, my house is going to look so Christmassy this year. I can't wait. My simple card Christmas stars. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.